Hello, my name is Uliy Vasilev Zhelezarov, and I make this video specially to be presented to the Meta team with hope that they will restore my admin rights on my page for Yoga, Vedanta and Buddhism. This is in a way some sort of proof. First, on this page I have like 51 videos, I'll show it to you later, and on all these videos, they're about an hour long, it's me, nobody else. So you can check profile different ways, but it's me on these videos, nobody else, and the page is mine. If anybody else claim rights on this page, such person I think should be prosecuted. I don't know. So hopefully I'll be able to prove with this. If you need other proofs, I will provide other proofs as well. So first, excuse my English, it's not very good English. As I already said, on all these videos, it's me, nobody else. The chair is the same. I'm with this uniform on all 51 videos, this uniform, with this malas. This is called mala. I have two malas. This is the first mala, which on all videos I'm with this mala, and this is the second mala. On every videos is this malas. This mala is special. It's with a amethyst here. Amethyst is a symbol of Brahman, ultimate reality. I know all Indian philosophies. I may start doing also lectures in English, I'm not sure. So anyway, put this away. So let me start first to show you this page which I claim to be mine. Again, as I said, it's called Vedanta, Yoga and Buddhism. This is the top of the page, and scrolling down. Now this is my biography. The same biography is put also on mine Facebook page, which is mine. So the same biography is there, and after the biography here, this is not me, this is somebody else, which I don't agree, say some yogic teachers from India. And then it starts my lectures. It's 51 lectures so far. Now this is in every lecture, you can see here, in every lecture there is explanatory words. I'm explaining what is the lecture about, and then there is a link of the lecture to my YouTube channel. This is the link. Here should be shown the picture of the video. I don't know why, but if I click here, immediately it will go to my YouTube channel where is all the 51 lectures. That's it. New window is open, and that's me. This is the last lecture I have done. Let's stop it. So you can see me with the same malas here, on the same chair, the same computer here, and up I have, this is let me show. So I'm making the video in the same room, the same place where I live and where I make. So this is a statue of Shiva, box Shiva, dancing Nataraj. This is symbol of yoga. This is a symbol of Vedanta. This is Lord Ganesh. Now when I start my other lectures for Buddhism, I'll put Buddha as well. They're all quite heavy actually. It will be like this. The next lectures, Shiva, Yoga will be in the middle, This is symbol of Vedanta, Ganesh and Buddha, Buddhism. Behind them, you can see this is also on every lecture. This is Om, sign of Om. Let me show you from a distance so you can see it. This is the sign of Om. Om is a secret word in Hindu religion. And next to it is this picture. In all videos. This is some boat here. I think it's a Chinese drawing. It's original anyway. So in every one, the desk is the same. You can see the desk. You can see probably from a distance like this. Usually I make the videos with a camera, but now I'm making the video with the phone. It's much faster and easier. So this, I think, is proof that it's only me. Now, my video channel, where all my videos are, let me show you my video channel. Oops, what is this here? Anyway, this is my video channel. I'm logged on here. This is my video channel. And it's me again, nobody else. And you can see here there's some private videos. This is blocked. Oh yeah, this is from Muhammad Ali anyway. Anyway, then it started. This, if you visit my video, you see all these videos, all these 51 lectures a day. Any one of these, they're mine. I can see here what date, how many views, contents, all these things, because I'm logged on to my channel. Nobody else can put all these lectures there. Impossible. And I'll put now this lecture as well, the one which what is this? Processing abundant. The file is duplicate. Okay, I'll delete this. I don't know what. It's duplicate file. Okay, delete video. I understand the video is permanent, cannot be on. Yes, I can delete the draft video and should be deleted. It's gone. Yeah, that's it. So all my lectures, I can delete all the lectures here. If I want to, I can delete all of them. But all these lectures are posted on my yoga, my Vedanta Yoga and Buddhism. This is in my page on Facebook. Nobody else can do this. I can, and now I'll put here on this channel this video which I'm making it now. So this is proof enough. This is proof enough, I think, that it's me, nobody else. Because you see me, you see. I just hope you restore my admin rights. I would like to know actually why I lost my admin rights in Vedanta Yoga Buddhism. Why I lost it? Because I looked properly, nothing is deleted. They appeared now. They appeared. Here's some of the lectures actually appeared. Well, I don't know, computers. So for some reason, I don't have rights, but when I look, nothing is deleted. Nothing. Nobody add also anything else. No. So if somebody have stolen this, they will mess around. But seems to me nothing. But I'll ask you, please, if there is somebody else who have stole my account, please restrict the person completely. The person should not be able to do anything, just like I can't do anything to my page. The same thing, please apply to this person. Okay, that's all as a proof. Thank you for watching. Let me see how to stop this.